What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Is Minecraft here, and today guys another unboxing, this time with a PC case that I believe that is going to be very useful for many people like me, for example. Otherwise I wouldn't bought it, but let's unbox this beauty. So this is the Forge 100R. This is a bigger box than the one that I have. Well, a bigger case, I mean, than the one that I have. Because the one when I got my PC, it was basically just to use the capture card. The thing is that after I was upgrading with some graphic cards and some other stuff, that somehow was getting too compact because I have the micro ATX motherboard on it, because it's the maximum that I can put it on, and I needed something that could be bigger. For example, well, the ATX, because this one will fit all the motherboards that they are in the market, the mini ATX, the micro ATX, and the ATX, that is the bigger one. I was looking into some of the reviews, and definitely the MSI. So this is my first review, because I will have as well another review to go on with the motherboard, because the one that I have, it's way too small and the things they get too compact. It's not good for the graphics, especially that is so close from the capture card, because I have an Elgato 4K Mark II, that is with the one that is able to do recordings in HDR, but it's way too close from each other. Capture card is very close from the graphic, but it's no flow, it's no airflow, and as well the PSU, well, the power supply, it's really close. So basically, it's like a sandwich, because it's the graphic, is the capture card, and is basically the PSU, the power supply. So I wanted just something that could have better space, to have more for my computer to actually work properly. Not saying that it's not working properly, but since I was doing all the updates with the graphics, with the new CPU, because I got the Ryzen 9 recently, and I thought that okay, I need something bigger for have better performance. So let's start opening the box. I have here the cutter. Because just arrived a few minutes ago, and I was like, okay, I'm going to do an unboxing of this product, because some of you might be interested to actually see how actually it looks like before you buy it, because usually I do all the time that before I buy something, I like to watch some videos, or I want to actually look into the reviews before actually go ahead. Even nowadays you can just get the things and after you can return them, but what is the point for returning the things? Just like if you from the beginning you know exactly what you are getting, it's much easier. So yeah, someone is already interested. Leo is already interested to wait. Okay, so this is very light anyway. So the box that you can see here is the Forge 100R. Oh, sorry, Leo. So basically, it's the optimized airflow, ARGB fun included, Mystic Light, 1 to 6 RGB control board, 2 less tempered glass, and magnetic filter. That was actually something that was interesting, because you know that this gets really dusty all the time. So I'm just going to put it like that. Actually, it's upside down. So let me just put it. Leo, can you move it? Can you move it? Okay, I have the second camera just recording as well in the same time to get the better. I can't believe, honest. This cat is just amazing. Look, this cat is just amazing. Always like that, always like that. He loves boxes, but all the cats, I believe, that loves boxes. If you tell me that is not a cat that actually loves boxes, tell me, leave a comment below, because I would like to know. I definitely would like to know. And if you actually have a video that actually proves that the cats, they don't like boxes, I definitely want to see it. Okay, so I can see it here already. I'm probably going to grab the other camera just to show it more on the detail. I'm just like looking the front of the box, something like that. That is the side, and that is the back. As well, here is basically the tempered glass. So here is the tempered glass. The top of the case, so it has the LED that I believe that is for the fans. And 2 USB, the fast 3.1, I believe, or I believe that is the 3.2 on this one. The microphone for the headsets to restart the PC and to switch off the PC. And this is a magnetic case. Whoa, it's already falling apart. That's not good. Oh boy, that actually stick into my carpet. Oh boy, that's a good start. That actually does that. But anyway, it's not broken. It's not broken. It's definitely not broken. But yeah, so that is for the filter. What can you just, because sometimes you know the dust just gets attached into it, and it's good to actually clean. Here is the fans, one of the fans, the second one. Here the MSI, and Leo actually was in action. The MSI logo. Let's turn the box. So here, the back of the box is another fan here, because I can see. So basically it brings like 3 fans there for the PSU and for all the graphic, etc. So let's have a look inside. Leo, can you move? You can't stop. You can't stop. Whoa, it's quite heavy. Okay, it's actually really heavy. I'm actually surprised, because this is pure, actually, not thin, but actually quite thick glass. What is good? I like that. But anyway, for the price, is you ask for quality, right? So this is the inside of the box. It comes here with some straps, with some screws as well that you will need. There goes the fans. That's the 2 fans over there. This one, I believe that is possible to take. Yeah, it's possible to unscrew, because I can see it's some screws over there that they can be taken. So yeah, some of the cables, but that is just the fans. The other fan over there. And from what I could see, okay, I'm just going to put this one off. Wait, I thought it was something broken. I know, it's not. It's basically, this is some rubber that was just a pressure with the glass on the top. So yeah, so this is the view of this beautiful tower. So this tower, I'm just going to put this off. This tower has 49 centimeters high, don't know, I can't remember about, yeah, it's over here. Dimensions, it's 49 centimeters high, 43 centimeters deep, and 21 centimeters wide. So basically, well, deep, what they mean with deep, the thing is that 20 centimeters basically just from here to here, and 49 from the bottom of the box until here, and 43 on the side. So that is the measurements for the one that I have, because the one that I have is just 40 centimeters, and somehow is going to be a good one, because Leo usually tend to jump on the top, because usually I keep it under the desk and has a gap between, and that gap usually he tends to go there because it's warmer, and you know cats, they like warm. If probably that would be open, I think so that he would be going inside, but hopefully that will never happen. If one day I might take it off if it's too hot, but not here, probably in Scotland, because usually it's really cold, so I believe that it's going to be all the time cool. But it fits up to six fans, what is really good. I have 3. I might use the ones that I have as well on the other one, so it means that is another 3 that I have there, what will make it the 6. Because it's always good to have a good airflow inside, to have a good ventilation for the CPU, especially like all the components. It's always good to keep it cool, to keep it working properly. So yeah, guys, so this is what I wanted to show you. This it was just the unboxing for you to see how it looks like. My opinion about if you should go for it, I would say, yeah, I can see that it has a really good quality. The plastic and the metal and everything, and even the tempered glass is actually quite resistant. So yeah, I would go for it. If you are looking for something bigger with the good quality, go for it. And if you enjoy, guys, please thumbs up. If you still didn't subscribe my channel and you would like to follow me here, please push that red button and as well the bell, because I upload videos every week. At least, well, I do streams, if not uploading videos, but I do streams every week. Any questions, guys, leave a comment. I will be happy to actually answer all those questions. And see you in the next one, guys. See ya. Peace. Peace like that, not like that. Because if it's like that somehow, in Scotland, it means something different. So, like that, it's peace. So guys, see ya. Love you all.